Want your favorite antivirus program for free? Keep watching the video. Hello people, today's a good day because you're getting Bitdefender Antivirus 2019 free for life. Just follow my lead. We will use the best disposable email service to do this. Follow the link in the description to get to this page. Make sure to add a new inbox with the domain getnaughty.com. It's essential to do that. Okay, now we have the inbox. Copy that address, then visit Bitdefender Central. Link is in the description. Quickly create an account like this. Don't mind the annoying CAPTCHA. Okay, it's done. Next, follow the link in the description to get to this offer page. As you can see, it's Bitdefender Internet Security. Remember, Internet Security and Total Security have no difference at all. Total Security just have some extra third-party tools such as one-click optimizer, which is useless. Okay, enter your disposable email address here, and click Get It Now. Check your GetNaughty inbox. You should have received this email immediately. Click Install Bitdefender. Awesome, now click this button. Click Protect this device. The setup should start to download now. Download that setup and open it up. It should start downloading immediately. Once the download is finished, you should see this window. Tick this and untick this. Hit Install. You can skip the initial scan. This should take some time. Just be patient. Once it has finished, click Start using Bitdefender. Now, you may or may not get this window. If you see this, just hit sign in and sign in with your account which you just created. Wait for this to finish. Alright. Here it is. See this? 180 days remaining. After 180 days, you just have to create a new account with the offer and just hit the switch account button and then log in with the new account. As I said in my previous video, if you're too lazy to do that, just pay a few bucks and buy the damn program. Enjoy Bitdefender free for life. That's it for this video people. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment. You can ask for more tutorials and questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more cool videos like this. Subscribers also can enter future giveaways on TechTac. If you liked my video, you can support me on Patreon to buy me a coffee so I keep creating more cool videos like this. Links are in the description. Okay, see you peeps in the next video. TechTac, out.